What's up, chat? What up, chat? What's up? What's up? What's up? What up, chat? Good morning. Good morning. How y'all doing? What's up, chat? How y'all doing? Good fucking morning. Good morning, chat. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. He said, that's a rolly kid. I said, this a new rolly kid. I am a Splistonian. Look how big this rolly is. Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. He said, that's a rolly kid. I said, this a new rolly kid. I am a Splistonian. Look how big this rolly is. Uzi, I am proud of you. Rock. Star yellow bitch like corn. Went to and my A turn orange. Pull up new lamb, no insurance. Baby foreign. Overseas money when a nigga torn.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, chat. Good morning, everyone. What's going on, chat? Happy what is it today? Wednesday? Happy midweek. Happy 17th. We're 1 month away from our vacation. Countdown plan. No countdowns. So what do we got going on today, sir? Hold on, let me just fix my camera angle. What do we got going on today? Looking at this, not much that I see here, to be honest with you, chat. You have 8:30 news, you have CPI, CAD news, Canadian dollar, CAD, and you have a 2 yellow orange folders near the end of 8:30 at 8:30. Yellow folders, which I'm not worried about. But you do have USD news, decent news, orange folder news at 9:10. But by then we, finishing off our day off anyway. So, well, at least the non-over traders will be. The over traders, yes, will stay. Obviously, yes, will probably be trading the Asian session or something. Maybe till tomorrow. But hey, man, whatever makes you happy. But yeah, what do you got going on today? Let's do a little quick daily analysis on DJ and Gold here real quick, as we do every single day. Our usual routine here. So weekly shows that we are bullish here. Weekly candle broke the highs, so I am expecting the weekly candle to drop up towards the next resistance at the 156 mark. So if I'm looking for buys going up towards that resistance, I probably want to see if the day time frame could close above the range, which we did close above the range here, as expected last night or yesterday during New York session. We mentioned how if we get a closure above the range today, then tomorrow should be a lovely day, which we did. There's a resistance there. There's a support here. There's a support here. This is a range, or this is the range that you've been stuck in for the past, I want to say, like the past 2 weeks, I want to say. And we finally broke out last night. We finally got a closure above the range. We have no top wick though, but since it's a higher time frame, I'm not too worried about it, because if price were to come down with the fact that we have no top wick, you'll be able to see on a small time frame, 30, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. You see those things kind of play out on a small time frame, transitioning you to the higher time frame. So I am looking for buys today. I am expecting the next target to get tapped here at the 155 mark. So 155.100ish is my target for GJ here. So I mean, there's that. So if that's my target and the bias is bullish for a day, dropping down to a small time frame, how am I gonna get buys? You gotta break things down, right? So you notice in the 1 hour time frame that, or 4 hour time frame, that we're bullish. The 4 did break the lows, but now it's flipping bullish. The 1 hour time frame closed bullish. The last hour closed bullish. 30-minute closed bearish. We broke the highs. So if you mark this up as this, I would say that this would be now my support being formed there. This is not my resistance here. And if you get a closure above its resistance here, you have a high chance that price should drive up towards the next resistance, which is at 154.500. So that resistance right there, which is also the 1 hour time frame resistance, which is also, yeah, that's about it, which is also the 1 hour time frame resistance. So the range going up in this case, chat, is approximately 18 pip range going up if you get a closure in about 8 minutes or a 30-minute time frame. However, We're probably gonna want to wait for that, and if you do miss out on that, it's all good, because above this resistance now, above this 1 hour resistance up here, you have clean traffic towards the next daily resistance, next 4 hour resistance, and that is going to be somewhere around here, the daily resistance looking left there. So yeah, chat, if I'm looking for buys, you have plenty of opportunities. I don't want to say it's an algo day, but you have a high chance it could be an algo day here. Let's see how the 7 a.m. candle closes here, or 6 a.m. candle closes here. But yeah, looking pretty interesting, chat. Looks like you have some decent moves today on GJ. It shouldn't be that range today. You should get some decent pushes. Just be patient for it. It's a long day. The day just started. No rush. No need to rush into anything. No need to catch anything right now. Wait for this 1 hour close. All right. That's GJ. The daily time frame analysis on gold. I did this last night during the Asian session. I sent it on my Instagram page, my stories. If you guys haven't watched yet, it wasn't like a video analysis, more so just a text analysis. However, I hope to help you guys out. Yeah, same shit I was gonna repeat today. You know, the day time frame closed bearish yesterday, back-to-back bearish candles. So with the fact that we closed bearish yesterday, you say today that as long as you respect the highs, which is up here at the 1876, price should respect that to continue down towards next support. Looking left, the next support is gonna be somewhere around here at the 1832 mark. So that is my next target for gold here, as long as it respects the previous kind of high here. So I'm looking for sells today. But yeah, if I'm looking for sells dropping down to a small time frame, I believe you have, let's see here, you have a support right here on a 30. You see the support right there looking left? You have support here, and then you also have a resistance here, right? Support and resistance equals what, chat? 1 + 1 = 2. Support resistance equals range. So this is now, we're in a range here. I'll say, since our bias is bearish, I'll look for sells if we were to close below 1859 here. So sells below here, closure. So closure means, chat, that we get a candle closure below that support and not just price wicking down towards that support level. All right, so wait for a closure. Once you get that closure, price has a higher chance to drive down towards next support, which is going to be somewhere around here at the 1856 mark. So I'm looking for sells today. And if you don't like these sells here, you can wait for a range shoot breakout as well, although it's not very effective here since we're following the trend anyways. But if you do, you can say that if you want to wait for sells below here instead, below this support, you have clean traffic until like 1852. So you have a lot of clean traffic to the chat. Just be patient. Go into your both look lovely today. So yeah, it should be a blessing of a day, to be honest, for opportunities to just be patient with it, and you should catch something at least. But yeah, worst case, if you don't like these ranges at all, then you wait for simply 1849 to break and then catch sells coming down towards 1846. But overall, my target for a day is gonna be, as we are expecting this day kind of flip here. My day target is gonna be like, I want to say like 1828, 30ish. But let's see if we get there or not today. Let's see. I'm not saying it's gonna all come down today, but I will say that I am bearish today as long as it respects the highs. And for buys, obviously, buys here do make sense as well. You have I guess you can say support here, resistance here. This is range 1. You had a range 2 break already, so anything above here or even like above here was definitely valid already for range 2 breakout buys. So technically, like, yeah, if you do break above 1862, then price has a high chance to drive up towards the next resistance, which is up here at the 1868 mark for buys. But you probably want a closure above 1862 here. Some of you guys may be confused with the fact that, yo, Don, but how come you have sells below here and you have buys above here when you just follow one buys? It's just in this situation right here, this particular setup here, just the way things are set up here for us, range 1 and range 2 just happen to be right next to each other. So it's not that we're you know, not including that into our strategy or anything like that. It's just more so, it's just where we already have a range 2 break already, so technically sells could be anywhere it wants to be as our overall bias for it is bearish, right? But yeah, that's that. That's it. Pretty simple there, chat. Pretty simple there. Pretty simple there. That was a lot of talking. But yeah, 4 minutes left, chat. Let's see. Your analysis? Of course. Yeah. But not chat, you know. Pretty simple day now. I say it every day. You do your daily now. You come to your charts. You do your daily analysis before you do anything else. Your daily analysis first. Before you look for entries, before you look for setups, before you even think of looking for setups or entries, you look for your bias. You focus on just the bias. What's the bias? How do you find a bias? How do you plot that with a small time frame? Once you find that, you then simply wait for your setups, your playbook. This is when that comes in. All right, your 5, 4, 6, whatever trades you have. Wait for those setups to come, following that same bias. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. That's how simple trading is. It's not easy, but it's simple. A lot of people have issues doing that, but it's why we're here. You know, we try to repeat the same shit every day, so we can install that into your brains. Do the latest drivers updates. Cool. Anyways, now we just wait, chat. Now we just wait. All right. Hope you guys are having a good day though so far though. Hope you guys have a good morning. Your text small letters? I don't know what to tell you. It's always been like this. It's always been like this, man. It's always been like this. The past 2 years, same text size. You not saw? It says buys above here closure. You can zoom in on YouTube, I think. You can like pinch the screen. You can't zoom in completely, but you can zoom in if you're on an iPhone. I'm not sure how Samsung works. If you're on a bigger monitor, you should see it better, but it says buys above here closure. It's the same font size as the rest of the trading view. The pound yen here, same font, the same font as the time here. It's all the same. Same font as the numbers on the side here. Today's focus that changed. Oh yeah, trades taken. That definitely changes. Trades taken, that changes. And then today's focus also changes as well. No news today, chat. Lovely. I love it. There's no news. I fucking love it. Nothing on our way. Nothing. No 8:30. No our gas stale because 8:30 candle. It's like you have until 9 a.m. You can take trade at 8:30, which is a crucial time because it's the NY Open. A bit after that, it's 30 minutes after the NY Open. So, good morning. Could you explain again what you mentioned about go and buy and sell ranges being next to each other? Go back to it. Go rewatch it. Oh, you understand it fully? Okay, I'll repeat it again. So, range 1, range 2 breakouts. You understand that? Before I get into anything else, do you understand what a range 1 versus range 2 breakout? Do you understand the whole concept behind that? Please do. Because if you don't, then I might have to redirect you to a different video before you come back to me again. Yes, you understand it? Okay, cool. Okay, so if you understand that, you see how like where is it? So you see how like range 1 and range 2 already happened for gold here. The bias overall for a day is what? It's bearish, right? So if you want bias today, you would want a range 2 breakout. You already have that though. Range 1 is down here, range 2 is up here. So anything above this range here was bias going up. Right? So that's completed. You don't need to worry about range 2 to break for you to take bias. You can take bias anywhere you want now. So that's why in this case, you can take bias at the next nearest resistance, which is up here. Above this resistance would take you up towards the next resistance. And above this resistance would take you, or yeah, towards next resistance, whatever, right? That's simple, straightforward. But you see how the overall bias for the day is bearish though. So whenever you have a range 2 breakout, you can still take sells coming back into the range. And in this case, like with the overall bias being bearish still, we didn't break day highs. Like you can take sells below any range you want, as that's the overall bias for your day, right? So in this case, you can take sells below this support down here, below 1859. So that's why in this case you have sells below here and buys above here. Right. The only reason why I like explained it was just because the reason why I had to explain it was just because like people get confused that they're like, yo, Don, what's behind this whole range 1 range 2 breakout thing? Like what's the point of it when you just have sells below here and buys above here? It's because in this situation it sets it up so that we have both at the same time, which could be confusing for a lot of people. Hopefully that mod bully doesn't meet me. I had questions for controller. No one's bullying you, okay? No one's bullying you at all. People are they're doing their job. They're just timing you out because you might be answering questions that are already being answered, you know, over and over again. But you know, there's no hard feelings. It's literally just, it's free education. It's a free stream. No one owes no one owes anyone anything. It's like, might as well do whatever you want to do to you. It's a free stream, you know, and just behave, man. Just behave according to the vibe. You know, that's it. Just vibe out with us. That's all I gotta say.
John, are you gonna get on the flip for PJ?
Oh, good idea, mate. I didn't know the 1 hour club. I've been talking too much. Yeah, 1 minute to the 1 hour count here. Yes, if you don't break the 1 hour lows, however.
Yeah, if you don't break the 1 hour.
If you don't break the 1 hour low, I got a buy stop right here being placed here, as I'm expecting price to drive up once it flips bullish here to continue up towards the top of the range minimum, and then potentially towards 155.064 here. All right, chat. So a bit same trade as yesterday, just a bit earlier into the day. Same exact trade, literally the same exact onion play on GJ. Good call, Rizza.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate that, man. Are you getting on a flip?
Yes.
Wixon, are you getting on a flip?
I wish I was there for the 30-minute onion, like literally like 10 minutes ago. I saw a bunch of people in the Discord catch it. Good morning, chat.
I bet your stops there. Stops are going to be around 16 pips, 17 pips, and TVs to be around 155. Interesting. So TP is going to be around like roughly, runners are going to be like 70 pips. Holy shit. If you got to run today on stream, chat, that'd be lovely, man. That'd be lovely on stream.
Yeah.
It could be an algo day too, so.
That would be.
Yo, Wixon was breakdancing yesterday. Pretty crazy.
Yo, yeah. I was gonna talk to him about that. That was insane. That's actually crazy. It was really good.
Pretty good. I thought all Wixon did was just, you know, I'm playing. I guess I get out of bed now that we have a trade. Did you get out of bed yesterday? Good morning. JXTR, you caught a DJ Onion. Lovely, man. Lovely.
Yeah, the onion was nice. Very nice. Oh, good morning, Wix. How you doing?
We got that gold closure. You saw that?
Yeah, I got the gold. No bond on Wick though. I saw that. I was looking at gold too. Yeah, chat.
Buy stop on GJ Wix.
I know. You ready?
Wait.
Are you accounting for spread?
I'm ready. Let's go. I did not account for spreads. Probably should. Yo, those handstands are crazy, Wix.
I'm sorry. I'm so tired. I wrote in the video. I said in the video as soon as I was done, I was like, "Yo, I'm getting too old for this."
You are, brother. I'm blind.
It doesn't feel the same way. Like you start spinning, I'm like, it just doesn't feel right.
Now you feel old, don't you?
I can literally tell the difference between doing this now and doing it when I was 20.
When was the last time you did it?
Maybe like last time I actually like got down on the dance floor, maybe like, I don't know, 5 years ago.
You still know how to do things.
Yeah, you just don't practice, and you know, your muscle memory changes a little. So
But he's
you gotta keep those muscles sharp.
Yeah. I got years to go, right? I got to that stage.
I don't think I was learning anything new by the time I was your age. I was like finishing up my breakdancing career. It only lasted high school and college. What's your buy stop on TD?
My buy stop is 154.376.
Oof.
Yeah.
Mine's 378.
You got 3-8.
Sorry, chat. I was making a post. So I questioned myself after the range 2 breakout. How did I know looking only for buyers? Because range 2 breakout on, I need to look daily, so bear. So now I understand. Took me a little while. I don't really understand that, but I don't understand. So that matters, right? I don't understand. Let me reread it again. Thanks, Don. I question myself at the range 2 breakout. Do I now looking only for buyers because range 2 breakout on, I need to look daily, so bearish. So now I understand.
What?
I don't understand. That's all I got. That's all that matters. Let's understand, man. I understand too. I'm gonna understand what you just said, but as long as you understand, I understand too. Blast the candle? No. It only works when we're in the trade and we're in profit and it's about to flip, or when we're in a trade, and that's when we can play it. All right. Actually, you know what? Let's test it out. Maybe it works everywhere. Maybe it works everywhere.
What are you testing?
Let's see. It's too early for this, man. It's 7 a.m.
Get it?
Let's see if it works.
Text a message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone and muscle. Steady taking shots, never hurting them. Even then, y'all don't worry nothing. And I like to give a shout out to my niggas with the game plan.
Man,
And shout outs on my niggas with escape plans. 20
we got
bands.
both. We got a
Rain
game plan
dance.
and an escape plan.
The rain checker, we can make
My escape plan is to smack TP.
Okay, big boy escape plan. Come on, VJ. I like VJ more than I like Gold today.
Because we're bullish on GJ. Gold is bullish on a bearish day.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay. The Lord. And take the Lord.
Read my thoughts.
Oh, this is what I don't like when spread jumps around at entry.
Yep.
Some more.
It rains.
It rains.
Pause.
It pours. Loot. There we go.
Chat, the stop loss for us is the previous 1 hour low. So it's around 17 pips and TP is up at like 155.064, right? We're risking 17 pips, 18 pips to get a target around 60, 70 pips.
Okay, this is good.
Okay, spreads are normal. 1.4, 1.3. Let's see.
What's your TP? 155 what?
155.064.
Oh, I thought you said 15564. I'm like, what?
That's possible too. That's
064.
pretty. I mean, yeah, some resistance there. Oh, yeah. Chat, don't try to be a hero and don't try to jump in early, because if you do try to be a hero and you jump in early, you might not. This kind of might not actually flip. You know. So wait patiently. Wait for it to actually flip, because we have a boss up there for a reason. That's when the trade's valid. Until then, the trade's not valid whatsoever. Not valid. The song doesn't work, chat, when we're not in a trade yet. It doesn't work. It doesn't work.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Doesn't
bro. I
work,
was
doesn't
thinking,
work.
Damn, I only like listening to the song while beginning the trade now.
You have no faith.
Someone
You have
said,
faith.
let's try it. I'm like, it doesn't work. We have to activate first.
Yeah, just not the same.
Chat, be careful of gold too. You don't have a closure above her. You don't have a closure above yet, right? So price is literally a flip bearish here. Also, it has no bottom wick on a 1 hour candle too. So be careful, be careful, be careful.
No.
Miss. Yeah, thanks for everything. No worries, bro. No worries. Thanks for being here. I love. I like how people know my name. Some people just call me Controller FX. Controller. Controller FX. Controller FX. Sounds left-handed? I am left-handed. But that shot right there wasn't left-handed, it was right-handed. I'm left-handed, but I do certain things right-handed. Like I bat with my right hand, I hockey with my right hand, I play basketball with my right hand, I throw with my right hand.
Which hand do you trade with?
Pardon?
Which hand do you trade with?
I traded with no hands, man. It's on my head. No hands needed. I don't fumble it. I'm playing. My right hand. My mouse hand. Actually, I'm holding my phone my right hand. Yeah, my right hand. Everyone's gonna be right-handed now. Bro, I love a song. When it came out.
Oh, flip.
Can you flip chat?
And I'm active.
Ooh. I believe I'm activated here too, chat. Got in a position here. Yep, I'm activated. Got in a position here. As price flipped bullish here. Flipping, activating our buy stops here. Stop loss is going to be the previous 1 hour low, which is down here. And the TP is going to be up here for around 155.64 for around 60 plus pips here. So that is the trade I'm in. What is my plan, you may ask? Well, let's see from here to here. What's up?
What is your plan?
Yeah, so my plan is from here to here will be around 11 pips in profit. I think that'll probably be where I'll close half my position, closing 50% of my positions, and then gonna leave runners with TP. But once you break these highs here, the previous 1 hour high, which is up here, once you break this high, that's probably when I'm going to move my stops to break even, as we'll be tapping that amount of resistance here. And yeah, price should technically be chow bella after you break that high anyways. So pushing us up towards the resistance up here. But chat, this trade is the exact same position as yesterday. Romance Scam story is the exact same trade. What's different about it? Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Back-to-back 1 hour candle closures for the onion play. The exact same trade, right, as yesterday. So that's it. Same setup as yesterday. Nothing much changed. Yeah. Should be a decent trade.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that song? Is this it?
Alright, perfect.
Nah, that's not it. Yeah, this is the song. I think. No, it's not.
The coconut nut is not a nut.
We wake up when the sun goes down. Neighbor says the smell's too loud.
Nice.
Riding in my old school thing. Shotgun with my old school babe. So wake me when the sun goes down. Tonight's my last night in town. I pledge to a flag so brave. No matter where time, the skies are gray. Ooh, around this time, won't starve in a Ramadan. Yeah, might have robbed you blind.
Can we go break even, chat?
Yeah. Keep that in mind. Fit 2 things being broken down. Yeah. Jump your ass inside. LSD, come take this ride. No ACID, how you get your ass inside? Yeah. Take one peek in me, you might get lost in my mind. Yeah. Fuck that college shit, that scholarship, let's hypnotize. Yeah. Ooh. We wake up when the sun goes down. Neighbor says the smell's too loud. Riding in my old school thing. Shotgun with my old school babe. So wake me when the sun goes down. Tonight's my last night in town. I pledge to a flag so brave. No matter where time, the skies are gray.
So the small time frame might have to play, but the larger time frames have to drive.
Oh, that's a good that. It was a 1 hour stop last too. Same as yesterday.
This guy is great.
It's good, brother. Glad we are. You're like, I don't know this straight down. No.
This guy is great. Yeah. This guy is great. Might be the last time I trip. I know I said
everything says bye.
Everything said bye.
You also have to act on it, because if you don't act on it, you're kind of stagnant. You're plateauing. You're not taking action. You're not learning. You're not taking a win, or you're not taking a lesson. You know, L's are not losses; they're lessons. Now, if you lose and don't get a lesson out of that, then you fucked up. Then you're taking a loss for no reason.
Not because like I'm saying it's a play out or his thoughts. It's just thinking, right? So nothing's really gonna change. Alright, chat. It should be very calm and mellow in your trade. You shouldn't be shitting your pants. If you shit your pants, it's wrong. Something's really wrong. Means one, you haven't had enough practice, or two, you haven't you're risking, or you're overacting.
But she caught me fucking in the bathroom. Rubbers all over the bathroom. That's a hella way to end it tonight.
Because if you're right and your strategy works, and you keep putting on the table what you're willing to lose, but winning, those little wins add up.
Is the music loud?
I left my girl in the south, but the skull in my mouth.
I hear you guys talk, really.
Thought I was in my head, all my niggas is dead.
I'm using SoundCloud, so it's like SoundCloud. So.
It's a hell of a night, for heaven's sakes. All you see is mountain and clouds, can't hit the brakes. She hit me twice in the face, that girl in face. She like the little nylon skirt to show the lace. She say she love me, but don't know what love is. I lost love cause my daddy said it, but ain't never done shit.
You know, fuck it. I'll just go back on Spotify. I don't know. That was weird. That was weird. How would you manage risk if it's a losing position? Again, since we didn't enter impulsively, I'm not gonna exit impulsively. Gonna wait to see how we probably close it. If we end up closing below like 154.291 here, then I'll look to close on positions or close half on positions. Other than that, that's about it. Yeah, for managing risks in a losing situation. In a win position, I already explained that. But in a losing situation, I'm probably gonna wait for the price to close here in about 7 minutes here. Wait for a 30-minute candle close. But yeah, that's about it. That's all I'm gonna do for managing risk in this case. Everyone manages risk differently as well. So if you have your own way of doing that, then go ahead and do that. This is just how we're doing it, or how I'm doing it, not where I'm doing it.
As I said, at which point would you start cutting risk? Once you start seeing bearish closures.
Yeah.
So, like every candle's bullish so far. I mean, once we start seeing some bearish closures, then you could think about taking some off the table.
And I know like some of you guys like to close positions when price breaks the 15-minute lows, whatever, 5-minute lows. Like, yes, you can do that as well. You're not right, you're not wrong about that. It's just your way of doing it. So do whatever you please at the end of the day, right? Don't follow me just because like I'm doing it a different way. It's just, this is just how I've been doing it. I used to do that. I used to manage risk on the 15, 5-minute, but I stopped doing that this year, starting this year, because I found like doing this is more efficient for me and more effective long term. More efficient long term for me. Managing risk. All right.
Here's the thing, you could get a 30 closing bear, and yeah, that's a strong candle to close bear, but we're still, if you look, we would still be, if we close bear like this, we'd be respecting the support on the hourly. So
that support right here.
Yeah,
that's very key.
If you get bearish closures but still above there, the higher time frames would be respecting it. So for me, I'd need to see bearish closures below there to start some kind of risk management routine. I get it. I get this fake out.
Gold fake out? Yeah. 1 hour chat. If you look at the 30-minute candle on gold here, we have 5 minutes left. We have no bottom wick, right? So if a high chance kind of could flip here, and also we never close above. I warn you guys about the bias here. Wait for a 30 closure and bottom wick to be formed. And if it drives, it drives. No, like it's just drives, but be careful. Just wanted to point that out for you guys who are having the figure on the trigger.
Is there news on GJ today? On the pound?
No. Last night, or no, we don't. But yeah, last night at 2 a.m. CPI, but other than that, pound, nah.
I'm saying why the spread's jumping like that. It went from 8 to 1.8. Like, strange.
Volume.
I mean, it's not. Well, now it's already moving on, but there was a few seconds that had really big jumps.
If we can push up again and rebreak the 30-minute highs, we should be Chabella. You gotta feed the streets. Ski mess. What was that Travis Scott song? It was which one from earlier? The loud one or which one? Marcos. What did Marcos say? Why did his message get deleted? Damn. Chat.
He got the double droppy outside.
If this 30-minute candle closes bearisher, you could, or that this is a situation where you could close half, but I am not. I'm waiting for this 1 hour candle closers because this trade is entered for me off the 1 hour time frame. I want to see if we respect the support or not. Again, the only way I will close the trade is if we close below. Yo, yes, you know Kanye and Drake, all good, all good now. That's how it should be in the FX industry, man. Unfortunately, these people are just stubborn. Stubborn. Done any runs this month, bro? Not really, no. Not yet. Not yet, at least. Reza, how you got my address? You look a little stressed. Let's talk about it.
I'm okay. I'm just gonna see if this thing closes like bear below that. You know, you see that first, like not the previous 15, but the one right before that.
Yeah, yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm closing half.
Nice. Yeah, I just want to know what your plan was.
Yeah, I appreciate it because that keeps me like.
Why?
Now you gotta follow
Why,
through
yep.
with your plan.
So I asked. I know how you work. I know how you move.
Yeah.
I asked it because I know that once you see it, you stick to it, or else the chat will roast you. It's funny because the earlier on we opened this candle, we came down right away.
Yeah.
To create a bottom wick, no top wick, and then we almost broke the lows, never broke it.
And then almost broke the highs, never broke it.
Never broke it, so. That's all I'm on. Drawdown is about 3 pips right now.
Get me the fuck out of here.
How are you managing risk? We already mentioned it. You know, winning situation, once you come up to re-break these highs here, if we break this high, I'm going to move my stops to break even, making it risk-free. Once you get to here, just resistance here, I'm closing half my positions, locking in 10 pips. And then in the losing situation, once you close bearish, or if you close bearish below the support on the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame, not the 30-minute time frame, I will close half my positions or close
So
fall.
we get the 30 doji? That's a little bear.
Chat, you know what time it is, chat? You guys know what time it is?
I just know at 6 pips we're playing ASAP Rocky.
Yeah, right now, man. We're doing that right now on the flip. On the flip. It works better in these situations.
I don't know, man. This is the 30 close. The 30 close bear.
If you look at the 30, the 30 close bear, respecting the support, I guess. You put that into that perspective. But if you get a 30-minute starter plate, say ciao bella. Rain dance. Chat, this is the exact same trade from yesterday. So if you guys are confused or anything, we already explained the trade. Let's go back and look at it. 30-minute close above on gold here. Looks like price wants to drive up for that wick at 1864 and then potentially like 868.
The 30-minute close an hour ago was great too. All of it was great.
I see if you're in a trader, just look at the 1 hour time frame, you know. Don't even pay attention to the 30. If you guys are sharing your events. Yeah, you can't close half on a 0.1. Yeah, you can't close half on a 0.1. Imagine 0.05 lot, micro lot. 30-minute start play, chat. 30-minute start play. 30-minute start play. Can we get that? Once you break those highs, you should be solid. To say ciao Bella.
It pours.
Brother, did you we closed bearish? What'd you do?
Oh no, we didn't close bearish
Below.
So,
I like it.
I mean, cool.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why did I close my thing? That's annoying.
You're still good.
Yeah, there it is.
Some more. It pours. Yo, ASAP has not been on our side lately. What's the deal, Rocky?
He's a Rihanna, man. What do you think? I mean, hey. I wouldn't be out as well. He's a Rihanna. Yeah, he a busy man now, man. I mean, he's been outside. He's doing other shit. Like I follow a bunch of pages. Like he still goes outside. He just has been making a lot of music.
Yeah.
And I think it's sweet time as well. I mean, he's just trying. I think like I'm guessing like that whole like him releasing the album recently, on like all platforms was kind of like what was it what do you call it? A rollout for his new album, I guess, just to get his name out there again. But let's see. I'm thinking like next year, bro. There's no way this year is gonna happen. Can you tell me how would you manage this? We already did it. Like I explained that like 3 times within the last 10 minutes here. Just go back and watch. Go back and watch the last 15 minutes.
Like every gold hour candle, gold moves like 30-40 pips every hour.
Can you please tell me how you manage this? Can you please go back and watch watch the last 5 minutes maybe? I explained it there. I just want to repeat it myself because the chat gets annoyed, you know? Chat's like, bro, you just said this like 3 minutes ago. It's because like the chat also asks us the same shit every 3 minutes. It's like you guys don't pay attention or something. I don't know. Come on, chat. Come on.
Pay attention.
Yeah, pay attention, man. I'd be saying, yo, I'll move my stats to break even here. You're done. Where move your stats to break even at? What's your target? The target's on the screen, man. My target's at 155. What's your stop loss on? It's right here, man. It's right here. Don, why you in a trade? Why'd you enter? I explained it already. What's your bias for today? I explained that already. Check out too much earwax more. You guys gotta go to one of these guys who clean your earwax out.
Oh, ew.
Go do that, man. Nah, but I get it though. Chat. I mean, not everyone comes to the stream at 6:30. People come at different times, right? Got that. So I'm just like, it's understandable, but just try to put some more effort in. I know it's a free stream, but man, I want it to snow, man. I miss snow.
Word. I want it to snow too.
Yeah, bro, you ain't getting that for now. You didn't get it from Miami.
If it snows here, there's some bad shit going on.
Yeah, if it snows there, man, we're getting a snow. We're getting something crazy here.
You're gonna see a fucking oil tanker floating by your apartment.
dum dum dum. Whole city going dum dum dum.
Yo, please
Yo.
stop spamming.
Pardon?
Not you guys, I'm talking about chat. Safif and Kingship was just spamming.
Oh, I don't know, but I love.
Nightbot took care of it.
Nightbot is golded.
Yeah.
GJ might just be waiting
ain't
till 8 a.m.
Ain't no
bottom.
snitch though. Nightbot ain't no snitch though.
Ain't no snitch, yeah.
Song name? It's called Living It Up. Post Malone, Young Thug, A$AP Rocky on Young Thug's latest album called Pink. Or Punk, my bad. It's Lucy's album is called Pink. Punk is his album.
Just sounded like the top 40 guy. You know, the guy that plays top 40 in the middle of the night on Sunday.
Yeah.
Casey Kasem or something.
You play my playlist? Apple Music. Search up Don VOV. That's my username. I haven't updated my playlist in a while though, but that's my playlist. Shit, Free TK. Free TK.
Ow.
They're good?
Yeah, just bang my hand.
Don't do that.
I'll keep that in mind next time.
Bitch trying to get wife, but my dick, she can't get up. Smoke up out of thought. If you want it, we could get up. Locked down on the boot, but let's take it, have to get up. Bitch, my loot, what she want, she can't get none. Chicken noodle soup, chopper cook a nigga shit up. I don't want no love, little bitch, I'm trying to get it.
Volume at 0, volume at, did you say? I don't know, man.
Give it a minute.
It's not even 80, I'm opening yet, man. Decent
I think
volume,
it's gonna
man.
push at 8, to be honest.
Could be.
Be patient.
The only thing I don't like about this trade is the 15-minute. That's about it. Everything else looks good.
Yesterday I was right. I don't know why you laughing. Goes moving up. No one is laughing. Nobody is laughing, brother. Brother Savage. Nobody is laughing. No one cares. Not because we're being disrespectful. Just nobody cares that you were right yesterday. You know?
I don't think anyone even remembers what you said
we
yesterday.
broke down gold fake outs. First of all, gold went down yesterday after the range 2 breakout. We broke down the fake out, and we avoid the fake outs for 1, and for 2, we broke down how after the range 2 we're gonna continue down, which we did. And then like yeah, gold might push up here, close above the range. Yes, it did. It definitely did. And we said buys above your closure, range 2 breakout. Could pop up towards 1868, right? You're from Toronto. All trash people live there. Hey man, I don't know what's going on with you, man. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you catch a nice 100 pips today, brother.
Oh.
Tiramisu song? Sounds old. Ooh, we're flipping bullish again, chat. On GJ here. Can we re-break the highs, chat? I want to close bullish before the 1 hour candle closes, obviously. Yo, Wick, check the mod chat. Hey, bro, all love. Or check the mod chat, Reza. Oh, you guys. Only mods in check, I think. Not Discord, on YouTube. YouTube mod chat.
I don't know how to do that.
Good, you don't see it? I swear you guys see it.
What? What you talking about?
What chat on YouTube?
Just check the live chat.
Man sent the next year how many times did you
No, not that. You don't see the thing, the other text?
No.
Still
Oh.
30-21.
No, not that.
What?
Oh, yeah, you don't see it. Chat, the mod see it. I don't know. Been timed out for 300 seconds. 300 seconds.
Yeah. Why you time him out?
Yo, Alex, I checked the Discord too.
Never mind, bro. If you don't see it, you don't see it. I mean, like, Alex sees it. Who else sees it? MM sees it. Y'all see it. Circle Fact sees it. I don't know why you guys don't see it. You might see it.
Mod, bro. I'm a fake mod.
You're a fake mod. I don't think it'll break for now. Too much resistance. If you think it's too much resistance, then don't enter the position, right? This is the same position I took yesterday, so like nothing I've done differently. But nothing I will do differently. If it hits stops, same trade I'll take the day after and the day after and the day after. But by the way things are looking, we'll probably move more during NY Open, so 8 AM in about 15 minutes here.
Yeah, but at that point, you might get a bearish hourly close.
You need a 1 hour start play, don't you?
Yeah.
That means you will stack.
No, I'm gonna wait for this to close and see what happens. I'm definitely not adding positions while the current positions are open. I might close positions, add later.
Or it might move the last 15 minutes. Who knows?
15's closing in 1 minute, so I guess we'll find out. Cap.
15 closing in 15 seconds.
If gold had a bump with the last candle, this would be a good entry here on the flip to continue up towards 1868 here. Good. I served the base.
Damn, bro. 4 dojis back to back.
Yeah, the one looks clean though. I can tell you that. Yeah. That 15 does look very chalked, but
yeah.
I actually still believe in this move.
So this 15 here, since the hourly's closing, it has to respect 154.275. Like, if it goes below there, yeah, that means the hourly would be respecting as well.
I mean, 15 closed bullish.
This current 15, so if, you know,
yeah,
regardless of the way it closes, it has to close above
154.291 chat.
Oh, 291 on the screen, yeah.
Yeah. Support must be respected because if it goes below support, then price has a high chance to continue down towards next support, which is down here. So
if it closes below there, you're gonna see I think the 4 hour. Start respecting that zone. Oh, your 4 hour. I keep forgetting your 4 hour looks completely different.
4 with the lows ready. 1 and 3 minute candle close above resistance. What was this? GJ 15. 2 place buy stops above current candle, anticipating a flip as price was current bottom wick. 3 kept my buy stop anticipating the start play to push higher. 4 close 50% at the third minute candle, close back into the range, close remaining 50% at 12 pips. Nice. Yeah, bro, that's a good position here. This is what earlier on. This is Asian, I guess, or New York, or sorry, London. I said everything but London. Nice, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty lovely. Good position, man. Good position, so.
Red light. Red light. Oh, gold.
So I'm talking about one thing. I'm gonna talk about taking advantage, right? So in this case, like, we know that there's a resistance here, a heavy resistance at 154,500. So we're trying to catch this piece here, minimum, because we know that if price were to continue up, if price is closing bullish on support here, price has a high chance to come up to retest the highs, right? And that's gonna be up there. So the moment we get there, that's why we close half our positions, for one, because price will reject, and two, our stops at our break even. And then our overall target will be 155.044. But this piece right here is just us taking advantage of that range to continue up towards the next resistance, if we're lucky enough to respect the break-even mark once you tap here. So like, it's not like this is our TP. Our TP is up here. It's just we take advantage of this mark here by managing risk. So slow, GJ. It's like yesterday, I think. Yesterday, like what? How long was that trade yesterday? Do you guys know? Like 30 minutes?
Yeah,
I mean, it was longer than this a bit, but yesterday was also a bit. Yesterday was at what, 8:30, right? Let's see. Yesterday trade was at, I think it was at 8:20. Yeah, yesterday was at 8:30. Yeah, an hour later. Alright, open. I thought the trade yesterday is a good one. Yeah. Do you know what's the difference between yesterday and today? Not really, right?
Nothing. Zero.
Zero difference.
Same shit. Different toilet seat.
Drop top in the lot at the spot, cause I gotta pick you up from your pop. Cause you're working at the shop and you're trying to make your money every day. Cause somebody gotta pay. You feeling all these ways, cause you think about the days when you never had shit. It's okay, admit it, you knew you were finished. I got you those clothes cause you knew you were in it. Baby girl, you quit it. We had it going on from the get-go. You had it going on with the section. We had it going on where you're putting on your bra before I step up in the room and got to hit it though. I know you really want me to come in it though. I'm seeing through you like a window. You know that I love you, you know that I got you. You know that I need you, you know that I want you. And you love it, yeah, you love it. 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 You love it. Yeah, you love it. Baby, you love it. Yeah, you love it. Me love it. Yeah, you love it. Yeah, you love it. Yeah, you love it. Oh, you love it. Yeah, you love it. Baby, you love it. Yeah, you love it. Yeah, you love it. Yeah, you love it. Oh, you love it. You love it. Girl, you love it. Yeah, you love it. You know me and you love my shit. She had me and she lost me quick. I've been on the road trying to find myself. They know me as right but don't know me well. I got you again cause they never did shit. I'm saving you again. It's all for you at the end of the day. Girl, I gave up my happiness. If it's love, then I see you again. If it's not, then you mess with your friends.
I wasn't looking. I was doing something. Holy shit. Chat, we have 8 minutes left here. I did mention that earlier that with price closing bearish on GJ here on the 30, you could look to manage risk and close half. That is an option that is optional upon you. So if you did that, you would have, you know, closed half already. But me, I didn't. I'm gonna wait for this 1 hour candle closer, and we have 8 minutes left for the 1 hour closer. And if price closes,
very important how, oh yeah, this closure is very important.
if it closes below support, then we'll close half. If it doesn't, then we'll still be respecting the support. And I'm still expecting price to continue up as the daily bias is bullish. Yeah, that's how I'm managing risk. It's all optional how you manage risk. You know, all up to you. Last year though, I would have closed half here. Last year for sure would have closed half on the bearish candle. This year, I usually manage risk on the time frame that I enter off of. So I'm trying to track that package down. Remember. Cool. Yo, Wix, what thank you. What last size you bought?
8.
Oh, nice. Did you lower last size? Quarter 4?
No, but I'm varying right now. Like yesterday, I popped to 10.
I
Like,
see.
you know, it depends on my comfort in the trade. I have like a sweet spot based on how many pips. Like somewhere between 15 and 20 pips, I'll usually do like a 8 live. We're a little less than 15 pips, I'll do a 10 lot. If we're more than 20 pips, I'll do a 5 lot.
Yeah, I can't wait to increase my lot size next year. It's been a long year. I'm tired of seeing 5s and 10s. I want to see 20s and 10s next year.
Yeah. It's a marathon, not a sprint.
I mean, yeah, but I marathon this whole year. I never sprinted.
Keep going.
Let's see. I'm looking. I mean, I'm probably not gonna instantly upgrade them. Probably gonna slowly, gradually upgrade them next year. But by the end of the year, should be around that mark. Who knows? I might. Who knows? Imagine I'm still the same lot sizes. Who knows? There's no rush for me though, chat. To like really upgrade my lot size. Like, I don't really care to upgrade my lot size. It's more so just like that was my plan from like, you know, beginning of last year to follow this rule of thumb when increasing lot sizes. What's up?
Do you have your G1?
No. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I do.
Okay. Alright.
I don't have my G2 though. You?
Oh, yeah, I have my G, bro.
Oh, you have your G. Nice. Yeah. So I didn't really
G1
care.
minimum, because then after you get G1, you have to wait like 8 months before you can get G2.
Yeah, it's been a good 2 years. It's been 2 years. Yeah, those are asking about my lot sizes and like my profits for a year and all that good stuff. Go on my Instagram page. Go to the highlight folders. August, July, June. Like all these months here are all results every single day since last October.
Gold was really solid this morning. Hasn't stopped moving.
Yeah. I don't think I would have entered that gold though. But one hour has no bottom wick.
That's what I'm looking at, like where and what I could have taken advantage of.
You had this, I guess. Maybe this above here, but still, it's like you had this right here as well, and I'm more worried about this. And then overall, you're looking at this. 868 is the target. But if you break back into the range,
Yeah.
Chabella,
On.
gone. Can GJ flip once again? Once it flips again, we can play a song. Maybe it'll work.
No, don't stop playing games. Every time we've played it, we've held resistance.
All right, we gotta break the highs then, I guess. I popped 5 last night. Thanks to you, Don. Hey, man, I love to hear that. I love to hear that, man. Really do. I'm happy for you, man.
Word. Thanks to you, he's down 250.
After closing half here. Damn, that's tough. Thanks to you. Happy 10 years of Drake. On take care. Sorry, not to give a fuck. Accomplishments. Really?
Yeah.
A long 3 minutes.
My favorite Drake song is I don't know.
Got your body line.
My favorite album, one of my favorites, If You're Just Too Late. I don't know my favorite Drake song
Dude,
is.
that was such a good summer for me.
You mean Winter?
Oh, was it winter? I don't know. Bro. It was like, I remember that song playing all like one of my favorite songs. Also,
Probably thinking about views that came out during a good summer. Everyone had a good summer that year. Oh, can we flip? Is there volume?
Bruh.
Are we flipping? Can we flip? Can we flip and re-break the highs? We need to re-break the highs. That's what we need to do.
Bruh.
We've seen it flip 1,000 times.
It's 2 minutes left.
Money on my mind.
7:58.
Tell her I apologize. It happened all the time. Girl, don't tempt me.
Crazy how they try to get the price where it needs to be right as the candle closes. Okay.
If it close Doji, that'd be lovely. The Doji bullish, that'd be lovely.
Same position as last hour.
Yeah, same exact position. Like this, perfect. I mean, chat. As long as it doesn't close below 154,291, do it, man.
If you turn on ASAP Rocky right now, I'm turning off the stream.
All right, I won't turn it on then.
Do not pop ASAP till we
All right,
smack.
tell me when. Tell me when.
Oh man.
Wait, do you see how chat we're not like overly emotional about the trade? It's like we got in a trade, we know what we're doing, we know how we manage risk in a losing and in a winning situation. Whatever happens, happens. It's kind of like we're just following our plan. We accept the loss, we accept the win before it even occurs. The Wick's not freaking out, I'm not freaking out. Reza might be freaking out, but he's not showing it. So as long as he doesn't show it to you guys, he's not freaking out as well, chat. So don't worry. you're already in a trade. Like you should have gone for a reason, right?
20 seconds. 20 seconds. How are we gonna do here?
We're probably gonna close bearish share, I believe. 1 hour's gonna close bearish share. And chat, if you want to close bearish share, you can if you want to. Technically, you could close half because you would expect the next 1 hour candle to drop down like this.
We get a top wick first.
But I'm gonna wait for a start play potentially. Yeah. Some of you guys are gonna close half for probably. Reza, you're probably gonna close half, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Reza close half. I'm not closing half. Wixon's not closing half. And I'm sure a lot of people are not closing. A lot of other people are closing. So that's whatever you prefer. Wow, gold closed nicely too in hourly candle. Look at that. Look at that gold. Wow.
Yeah.
If I was in GJ, I'll look for buys in gold here, but I'm gonna need a bottom look here.
Gold is solid. All morning it's ran solid.
Because technically, chat, right, with the fact that we're closing bearish, the probability of trade of it going up is obviously a lot lower, because what you need for it to go up now is you need to break these highs here for it to be valid to drive up. But since we're already in a trade, the best we can do here is manage risk. But in this case, like, we close bearish, respecting the support still, so price could still continue to push up into the top of the range. But we need a 1 hour start play to be like back to where we were earlier, to where it was very valid. Like, everything's kind of valid on the time frames. Rob, I answered that question at the beginning of the stream. Why Don Pierce daily candle has no top wick on GJ? Yes, it doesn't, but I'll say it. Since it's a high time frame, it's irrelevant because it's not like we're taking a trade off the day time frame. We're gonna see price come down. If the reason why we're not going up to it is due to the fact that we have no top wick, you're gonna see us rejecting on a small time frame before we actually reject on a high time frame. You're gonna see it happen on a 1530. Like if you close below this range here, chat, then you have a high chance that GJ is gonna drive down right towards next support. At that given point, you can probably expect the day count to flip bearish as well to drive down. Therefore, you can now blame the fact that we have no top wick, the reason why prices drop down. But it's a high time frame, therefore you can see it happening on a small time frame. It's not really any of my worries right now at all on the trade at all. But yeah, Rob, that's your answer for that. Hope that helped you. Gold, yeah. It should tap 1868. That should target 1868 on gold. You hear that? Every day's another opportunity to reach that goal. Huh. Huh. Have you been snowboarding?
Yeah, a long time ago.
Like recently?
No, like a long time ago.
Damn.
Like as in like years ago.
Where in Barrie?
I had a really bad knee injury, and then after that I didn't go.
Because you look like a snowboarder.
So you ever been snowboarding? You said a long time ago. You're like, when, recently?
yeah. What about you, Don? You go snowboarding?
Nah, I've never been. I want to go though.
I feel like you'd be a snowboarder actually.
I think I'd be sick, to be honest. Were you ever down 10% some months? I haven't had a losing month since like October 2019. I lied. I take that back. Aside from that, 1 month in September where I was technically break even or down like maybe 10 pips, like maybe like I was down 1%. Other than that, before that, I was down like I haven't been down since I been a full-time trader. I haven't had a losing month since. This is the last losing month we had. It was this month right here, September. Oh no, August. This month right here. That was our first losing month this year. it was like it was like maybe 10 pips the whole month. We're down 10 pips the whole month. Or I was. Chat, this kind of has no top wick here. But here's the thing, this kind of close bearish here, so we can technically still break this low and still continue up. But if you break these lows, then trade doesn't make any sense anymore. It's like invalid technically. You should wait for another setup. And for me, that new setup for me is probably gonna be a closure above 154.501. That'd be the bias for me later on, or if that ever happens. Man, we could have gotten gold, got 10 pips, and got out. If we weren't in GJ. It is out of the support there though, chat. Let's see. Can we get a 1 hour start reply? Let's call a market maker, shall we? I don't know what to play today.
Oh, shit.
I'm outside in the AMG PT. I've been down every month since I started. That's okay. So I'm back on demo. That's okay. Nothing's wrong with that. There's no rush. There's literally no rush. Every time you rush, you're taking a step backwards. Think about it. Think about the very first day you started FX and all the mistakes you've done because you rushed the process. Imagine if you never rushed the process since day one. Where would you be now? Imagine all the capital you would have saved. Imagine your account growth slowly, you know, and surely, instead of now. I need that $100 flip. I need that, you know, 100% flip.
I'd be like 100 grand richer.
Imagine. Yeah.
Imagine being 100 grand richer with everything you know now. Like, you know.
Isn't it worth it, chat?
Chat, take it from us. So there's 3 types of people. People that don't learn on mistakes, people that learn from their mistakes, and then there's people that learn from others' mistakes and just completely shortcut through life.
Those are unique people that I'm not those people.
But yeah, if you see us, we made those mistakes. You know, avoid them. You know, learn from our mistakes. That's what we do.
I'm the type to learn from my own mistakes. I can't learn from others' mistakes. I gotta physically feel the pain, bro.
I feel you. A lot of people are like that.
And people who I give props to people who like learn off of others' mistakes. Like they recognize and they see like it's much easier for them. But unfortunately, that's not me. I gotta learn from my mistakes. I'm too stubborn.
Can't hear me? Why can't you hear me?
Sorry, go on.
This 5 sucks. This 5.
Yo, Mike, Tyke Myson? Yeah, bruh. I'm down 10%, though I consider myself a good risk manager. Is it normal to be down 10%? It's definitely normal to have a losing month, man. Like just because I haven't had a losing month doesn't mean it's not normal. It's definitely normal. It's definitely okay. Just can't do anything about it. It's like as long as you're sticking to your plan, at the end of the day, that's all that matters. You can't control your wins, you can't control your losses, but you can control your risk management. And as long as you try that, and you don't lose yourself from that, continue to stick to your plan, you're on the right path. Trust me. Not every month will be a winning month. Not every month will be a losing month. It takes time, it takes experience. Just keep going at it. Don't switch up your plan. Don't try to be like the other guy on Instagram that's making this much to buy this and that. That's irrelevant to you. Look, gold. About gold came up. I guess we had no bottom wick, right? So I said I wouldn't answer because we had no bottom wick. And even if you did answer off the current candle, it would have been break even after getting 10 pips anyways. So this would have been break even for us. But I guess we're coming down and give us that 1 hour bottom wick now. And we did say, chat, if it is a fake out, then we're wrapping it up. It's gonna be Ciao Bella. Day candle bias is bullish though, or bearish though. Sorry. So this is gonna be interesting. Can you break the 1 hour lows? I really want us to break back into the range because then subs be lovely, chat. It will go perfectly with our data analysis. Look where data time from rejected off of that resistance. We just need GG to push up. That's what we need. Get gold. I can tell Reza's in both though. Right, Reza?
Your time, cause I'm wavy and I'm saying things that I don't mean, but I do mean, and I don't want you to miss me, cause there's no way.
Look at Reza's face.
Yeah, I don't. This new camera angle, like you guys can very much see when I'm staring at my screen.
I'm supposed to be in your mind for the first time. First time in a long time. Hurting deeply.
It's the stop loss and TP.
First time in a long time.
They're the exact same trades yesterday. Support form, retest the highs. Manage risk the same. Then continue up for runners. Yo, Wix, go could fake us out. Not fake us. Fake back into the Ranger.
Yeah, but I don't like being in two positions. You know,
Whoa.
on separate pairs.
Yeah, news here in about 15 minutes too.
We need to be out of this position to think about gold.
I know. But I know Reza's. I know Reza's in the one. I'm fine.
I'm thinking of it. But we are being patient. We are going to be patient.
Stop the cap.
Yo.
Stop the cat. I hate when we're in a trip for longer than an hour or like 30 minutes. It's that like chat gets so bummed out. Chat, smile, man. Whatever happens here, you guys are still gonna show up tomorrow. We're still gonna be here tomorrow and the day after that. You know, whatever happens, we're gonna lose. Smile up, enjoy the moment, chat. Enjoy the experience of being in a trade. You know, because sometimes when we're not in trades, you guys are like, yo, Don, why aren't you in a trade, man? You know, like you don't take any positions. We're in a position right now. Your heart better be racing. If it's racing, it better be racing for me. Who said we're not smiling?
Say we not smiling.
Yeah, have some fun. You know, like if you put your full account on this, then that's a you problem. I don't know what to tell you, man. If you don't know why I got in, then that's a you problem. We explained it. Oh, 1 hour's flipping. Can we get a top wick, chat? Can we get a top wick after we create a nice button wick, or will we reflip after that?
No. Look at the 15.
No wicks, no 15. Nope.
Look at the 15.
15 star play. I see it.
You know what it is on the 15.
No, yeah, it's gonna continue down. Yeah, but you know what it is, man? It's a 1 hour star play. That's what I see.
Yeah, the 30 flip. 1 hour flip created a top wick.
Yo, do you train in our sessions? No, brother, I do not. We gotta break the 1 hour highs, chat. We gotta break the 1 hour highs
Yeah.
for a 1 hour starter play here.
That's the only play, the 1 hour celery. But the place that it's rejected now twice is our support. You know, it's rejected once, rejected twice, flipped once, flipped twice, you know. You had the previous hour flip, you had this current hour flip.
I guess like once you continue up further, like you can move your stop loss to the current 1 hour account too if you want to manage your risk better, but it's up to you. I'm gonna leave my stop still where it is, but let's see.
Is that Coin the Ring or whatever?
Bruh.
Who
Get
is
off the
that?
stream. Now.
Who is that?
It's Playboy Cardi.
Oh,
He said Cola Ray. Man. Okay.
I put that top left.
Oh, traders trade the Antarctic session. Yeah, for real, Antarctica session. Bruh. That's funny. That's the best joke I've heard all day. On the minute we broke the 15 and 200 EMA, should be Gucci for us to make it drive up. Hey man, whatever makes you happy, brother.
Whatever makes you happy.
The 15-minute chat, Wixon was talking about earlier. Wixon is expecting the 15 to continue down. Right, Wix? That's what you were expecting? No bottom wick?
I'm not expecting it. I said be aware of it. But then again, I'm expecting this trade to work out. I'm still in it. You know,
obviously.
I'm just saying be aware that the bottom wick on the 15 hasn't formed. We want this 15 to close bullish before it makes a bottom wick, and the next 15 start with a bottom wick and drive up. A lot of time left in this 15.
We need Marcos here. Where's Marcos? That's who we're missing. Marcos. Every time he comes to the stream, we don't lose a trade. Every time Marcos comes. Reza, you have a new camera?
No, I just started using my computer, and I always use my iPad. Now I use my
what iPad do you have?
I don't know, man. It's super old.
Oh. Cool.
I'm in the call like I'm sorry, your honor. Look, I killed the op, I ain't catching no karma. Yeah, I killed the op, I ain't catching no karma. Fabi, Sosa, viral, movie. I'm in this bitch with the wooski.
Gold about to reflip.
Champagne got me loopy. Glizzy Bob looking groovy. All the demons looking moody. Hey, look, bitch, I'm a demon in the night, and I'm a shark up on the water. I got shooters in New York, and I got shooters across the border.
Bravo. Sosa.
On gold, you'll find that we moved like quite a bit for this morning, and there's a lot of potential. But you're in that little zone. New York has opened, and you're gonna be, you know, you might get a little push before 8:30, but between like 8:30 and 9, you might get a little bit of range before NYSE open.
I heard tried trading the foreign exchange market. I heard it's risky. I heard that too, man. I heard that too, actually. I don't know. I never heard of it. I never really touched the foreign exchange market before, man. I've only touched Forex.
Yeah, man. I wear a medium.
Yeah, man. I don't wear Forex. I wear medium. I'm trying to grow a small account, but I can't find a broker with high leverage. What else should I? Is that you DM me on Instagram? I replied to you. I think it was I say use Trader's Domain. That's what I use. Or whatever. Just let's see brokers that offer 1 to 500 leverages with minimum deposits of 100 or like 50, whatever it is. All right. But Trader's Domain, I think. Well, yo, what's the minimum deposit on Trader's Domain? Works? Do you know? 50, 100, $10.
Minimum? I'm not sure.
I don't think there is a minimum. It's just 0, right? I don't know. Did you hear about the Bitcoin creator and his court case? No, but I heard about Travis Scott's court case. God damn, bad. $780 million.
For what?
Kylie Jenner, man, where you at?
For the.
She gotta pay those. She gotta pay the bill for him, man.
780 million?
Yeah, him and Drake.
For the concert? What are you talking about?
Yeah, people are suing him. The lawsuits coming in left and right. Boom, 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 boom.
I don't think it was 780 million.
It was 780 million.
Jesus.
Rip.
I mean, that's.
Well, off of the sources I've seen, but I might not be 100% correct. Obviously, social media, who knows?
I can't judge, bro. People died.
Yeah, I can't really. Yeah, lawsuit seeks 150 million from Travis Scott and Drake and Live Nation.
Oh, Drake owns
Travis TMZ says Live Nation is a live streaming service, but Travis Scott is facing $750 million actual lawsuit from 125 attendees plus.
Yeah, but Drake wasn't there, was he?
He was a feature. He came when the whole thing kind of got crazy, I guess, and he's people put him. I don't know. People put him as a. I don't know.
Maybe he was an investor. That's fine. I don't know, but that's crazy. You know, people died.
No, it wasn't an investor. He came out as a feature for like a surprise guest, but he made the crowd go crazy. I guess that's why they're using him. But
Gold.
I mean, it makes sense now why Drake got close to Kanye the other day, because he probably needs Kanye's money.
Yeah, he probably needs Kanye's money.
Kanye's money, you know.
I don't know. He could put up his mansion in Toronto, and he's good.
Yeah.
Imagine Drake starts to GoFundMe.
Dropped out of school, now he don't. Right.
Are you gonna keep your initial 10 pips as a target on the celery play, because it has potential to run much more? You don't want to collect like 15, 20.
Pardon? We're in profit. Pardon, what you said? I'm still gonna move my stops breaking in the same area, I think, and my closing half the same area.
Yeah.
I got runners though. I'll tell you that. If it does happen.
My whole life has changed.
Ash has been saved. Yeah, I'm happy to share right now. I've been saved, yeah. When we break the highest, chat, we gotta break this one of our highest. If we reject it, then it's not a good look. This kind of could just flip all the way down, come down towards stop loss.
Whoa. No blasphemy on the channel. Come
on. We didn't break it, chat. Uh-oh. Wick sounds worried.
I'm worried, not gonna lie, I am worried.
Wick side, what are we doing, chat? Wick doesn't care. We're just chilling, chat. Chat, no one hears words.
I'm worried. I'm not gonna lie, I'm worried.
Can you break it? Can you break it?
I ain't never scared.
What you mean? Why can't you play it?
You seen those memes? Go full margin, no stop loss. Be a man. Be a man.
Why can't I play it? Why can't I play it yet?
You know what the fuck I'm talking about. Look. You only mentioned him for a split second.
Hey, man.
And then the fucking support and the resistance held.
Hey, man. Give it a moment. Give it a moment. Moves up. Yo, chat. Yes, you can manage risk by now moving your stop loss to the current 1 hour count lows if you want to. It's not a bad idea. I mean, it'll be like you're risking like what, 12 pips? You'll be saving around 6 pips on that trade for where to come down.
GJ, please.
GJ, please.
What?
I said GJ, please.
This guy said GJ, please. That's a new sound. That's a new sound, chat.
GG, please. That's great.
I'm undefeated, never lost.
I'm undefeated, never lost. Reza's always hyped until he's in the trade for real, man. Right, Reza? Is that true?
What? I don't. Yo, what? Whenever I trade, there's like only 20% of my brain working.
We need
Stop the cap.
I am praying, bro. I am praying.
Hey, Reza, don't worry. You know why? You know why you shouldn't worry, man?
I'm undefeated, never lost.
That's why you shouldn't worry.
Okay.
Can we break the 1 hour highs, chat? Can we break the 1 hour highs? And officially, 1 hour self play has been valid here. Boom, 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 boom. We're about what? 6% profit? Nice.
Going break even.
Boom, moving my stops to break even, chat. Making this a risk-free trade. That was original plan. Tap that minor resistance looking left. Gonna close half my positions at 10 plus pips. Getting there very soon here. Then gonna let a runner go until TP. So nice. Closing half my positions here, locking in 10 pips as you have tapped that minor level resistance. And we are now gonna let a runner go until TP. Lovely, 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 chat. What patience paid off. No emotions there at all.
She's a runner. She's a runner. She's a track star.
Nice.
I closed 4 lots at 10 pips. I think I'm gonna close another 2 lots if we're on another 20. At 154, 740, I'm gonna look to secure another like half a position.
Yo, Wix, guess what? I played the song and look what happened.
No, now you can play the damn song. It held resistance and then hey.
Now you can play that damn song. This is our celebration song, chat. What's the TP? 155044. Get it?
I'm undefeated, never lost.
Dubs in the chat. Chat, can we get a W spam real quick for Instagram?
If you ain't dancing in front of your computer, or at least on the inside, then you're doing the right thing, because you should treat losses
You're doing the right
same.
thing.
You should be treating losses and wins the same.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Undefeated, never lost.
Undefeated, never lost.
Thanks, chat. Appreciate it a lot, man.
So,
Thanks, chat. Thanks, chat. Thanks, chat. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Whoa. Whose mic is that?
Me.
What?
that's my Elvis voice. Oh, nice. We open with a bottom wick.
I literally thought someone else joined chat.
Me too, bro.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right, chat.
I believe the 15-minute and 30-minute candle closed there. Closing bullish. So if we survive this bottom wick on the 30-minute candle, we should continue up towards the next resistance. Looks like God. Is that you?
God? Is that you?
God? Is that you, God?
Chat, we gotta survive this bond work though. If you don't survive bond work, then we're break even. I can't. And then yeah, we might just have to wait for a closure about the range here. What's your exact entry, Wix? Mine's 154378. I'm about to get tapped to break even here very soon.
Me too. Me too.
Wait.
I'm doing what you're doing. I didn't put it 1 pip in profit. I'm putting it in
378 is my entry. My exact entry, 378. We're still in?
My exact entry is 378.
Okay, cool. Cool. So we're surviving right now. Let's see. We got flip bullish chat before breaking our lows or hitting breaks. You could, if you wanted to. It's a bit more aggressive, but you can move your stop loss to the current count of lows if you wanted to, but previous count of lows still. But for me, that's just how I manage risk here. So cool. Break even has been hit, but we locked in 10 pips here.
How about the flip?
Good stuff.
And okay, chat, because you know what? Just wait for the 1 hour candle to close later. And if we close above 154, 511, we can continue up. If not, then no trade for a day. That's it. But we locked in 10 pips. We followed our plan. We didn't manage risks. We weren't emotional in drawdown. Nothing at all. Solid. Also, we also didn't close half too. So that's a good W. GJ buys plus 10 pips. Runner. Break even.
No, it's gonna run up. Look at the flip.
Yeah. That's
Oh yeah, there's a flip. Yep, there's a flip. And once you flip now, you have a high chance that price will just drive up.
Get in on the flip. Get in on the flip. What?
She's like, no, don't get in on the flip.
Alright. Hold on. I got you. Let me fix it.
Record is what? 3-0-1. Not bad. Fortress on stream. There's a flip chat. They chop Bella, man. We might be headed up towards now to next resistance down. It's unfortunate we kind of just, you know, hit break even first, but it's all good. This is important now though. You can't be emotional here. You gotta be like, wait for your next opportunity. That's it. Don, where are you selling, GJ? If you need to sell, I need a range 2 breakout. So probably below like 1.5. Probably below 153,977. Below here, coming down towards here would be my sells probably if I were to take sells today in that range.
Gold.
Yeah. So gold. What are you saying, gold? 1 hour closed above the range, broke the lows. 30 closed bearish. Huge wick, which means this is chalked. GG has a lot more potential here. Chat, if you guys enjoyed that trade, leave a like on the stream. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. I appreciate you being here today. You know, we did what we did. We did what we can today. We did everything perfectly today. We managed risk perfectly, broke it down perfectly. Be proud of yourself. That's it. Got 10 pips, close half. We weren't greedy. It's not like we, you know.
Yo,
we didn't secure profits.
We hit a fucking runner on stream. This is getting
I know, man. This is getting ridiculous. I mean, I wouldn't expect to get one in November though. To be honest, looks then.
I don't give a fuck.
Cool. Maybe next year, man.
Maybe next. There's always next year.
There's always next year.
That's what they say to the teams that didn't make the playoffs. It's always next year.
Yeah.
It helps me on the stream. What'd you learn today? Tell me what you learned today. Speak to me. Going back to bed. Peace. Hey man, peace out, Jack Phone. Thanks for you know, being here.
Talk dirty to us. Let's go.
Paul LeBerry. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, peace out, Sharif.
Drop 50 viewers.
Yeah, probably. I'm after that trade. We took a W and it's like, well, thanks, Don. Peace out. Peace out.
Yeah, where he's going? No one else is streaming.
Hey, chat.
I'm undefeated, never lost.
Never lost.
Reza, what % did you make on your account today?
Oh yeah, how'd you do in that trade?
The trade way earlier. I didn't make anything.
What?
What happened?
Yeah.
So what'd you do in the trade?
I just closed it, bro. I got nervous and I closed it. Today wasn't a good day for me.
Hold on. You got nervous? Through all that talk, you got nervous?
Yeah. Yo, to be honest, like after I closed off, I was gonna get off stream. I don't know, bro. I felt like I was getting emotional and just like get off. So I didn't close anything. But I'm up for the week, which is okay. Which is good.
That's what happens when positions take longer to play out than.
Yeah, literally. I've also noticed every time I have like assignments and shit due that week, I do way worse. Or that day. So I'm like stressed about assignments and stuff. I start taking emotional positions. Glad I did today.
Position wasn't emotional, the close was.
Yeah. No, not gonna lie, I took one very emotional position on gold. Didn't say anything.
Stop the cap.
That's why I was laughing. Yo, when Don's like, oh, Reza, I'm like, oh.
I knew you took something. I knew it.
I know, bro. That was my first emotional mistake, like, all week, I think. Or, yeah, I think all week. Or since last week, actually. It's been a good 2 weeks. But that's okay. We're improving.
Chat, Rosa's gonna be profitable by the end of next year.
I'm probably gonna be what?
It's a chat. Reza is gonna be profitable by the end of next year, like insanely.
Oh, hopefully hopefully sooner than that, man.
Right now you're on a funded account, you know.
Yeah. Let's hope.
Way ahead of the game.
Yeah. I'm telling you, every time I have all this shit going on in my life, my trading gets worse. Like today, I have like 2 assignments to do.
Don't trade it then, right? Don't trade then. What's wrong with that?
Ahmed, I'm not trying to do that because that's exactly what will fuck you. I am done. Yeah. Like, I'm so tempted to jump back in on GJ right now. You guys don't get it.
There's aspects of my life that I've really gotten way worse at because of trading, because I just kind of came to a decision that, like, regardless of what happens here or what's going on, priority one is my trading. But that's just the conclusion, you know.
Wait, sorry, say again. Your priority is trading?
Yeah, I've come to a conclusion that, like, I'm fine with certain other aspects of my life suffering or taking a hit or sacrificing them, because they've taken a backseat to trading, and you know, I prioritize trading over a lot of things. Where at this point, I'm not like, oh, because of this thing I got to do, or because of that, like, you know, I suck at trading. For me, trading's number one. Then whatever happens in that thing, you know.
Yeah.
See, I've made that choice too, but like
everything has taken a backseat. But I'm okay with other things taking a hit and suffering and the results being worse, as long as my trading's up to par.
Yeah.
Damn, Wix. Your daughter's asking you for something today, man.
The middle one.
It like subconsciously hits me because, you know, like, I don't care about my school that much either, but I'm like, oh shit, you have to fucking do this. I'm like, I don't want to go do that, so I keep trading.
I'm not saying don't care about your school. I'm just saying prioritize things.
Yeah.
And
no.
Bro.
I agree. Like,
you can't expect something that you prioritize less to be more, you know, to be more successful.
You're so right about that.
Agree.
That is true.
I agree. Again, I prioritize my trading. It's just like, subconsciously I get affected, like, you know, even when I tell myself, yo, I don't care what I get on, like, what grade I get on this test or whatever, I still have to try. That's just me. Like, I don't know, I don't like half-assing things. Like, anything I do, I want to do it right, you know.
Yeah.
That's also tough too, because we're on different situations. Like, you're in different situations with Buxton. I'm in different situations with Buxton. I'm in different situations as you. So yeah, work with what you got, you know.
Yeah.
Everything's gonna be perfect.
Yeah. It's been two good weeks. I'm getting my Bachelor of Commerce, guys.
All right, chat. This is gonna be retro stream now. I'm gonna hop off. Catch you guys.
Oh no, it's gonna be one of those days. Just vent to chat.
Yeah, it's because you can't handle it right now. I feel it. No, you feel stressed or not stressed, but you feel emotional about that GG trade, right? Or
nah, bro,
about
the GG trade. I took a gold sell for no reason.
Wait, did you profit off that?
Pardon?
Did you profit off that?
No, I lost off that. I lost off that more than I lost off my plan trade. Like, the DG trade was no problem for me, bro. I risked 2K and I lost like 500. And I want my trades to be like that, you know? That's just like my trading style. Like, I try to close very quick, and then I try to let my runners just run. That's just what works for me. But like, I got on a gold trade, literally trying to be a superhero, trying to call the top. Because there's like a crazy 4-hour resistance there.
Yeah.
And I saw like the 15 minutes flipping and stuff, and it was just bad. But again, like, I'm still within my daily risk limit, so that's keeping me sane. We're good.
Real quick, chat. You guys are asking me, like, earlier, I gave an example of how you could take advantage of situations. in this case, like look where we rejected, right? There wasn't no coincidence there. It's like we kind of anticipate us to reject there, but we just took the chance that we could break that resistance as well, right? So we got over here somewhere off this 1 hour candle. Stop loss was the previous 1 hour candle low. So this is the candle we expected to drive up. That candle closed bearish. Next candle drove up, tapped the resistance, and we said how, okay, the original plan was that we could take advantage of this range here, this range right here, and that's it. This mini range right here, because that's the heavy resistance. We know that if we flip, we have a high chance to drive up, but what we don't know is that we don't know if we're gonna break this or not. And you need a closure above to continue up, right? So that's why like price pushed up, and then we moved ourselves to break even. We did all the adjustments to our trade, close half, starts to break even, and then it was risk free, and then whatever happens after. But that's what we expect to go into a trade there, right? It's not like we expect the price to just cleanly drive up. We're like, yes, it could have just drove all the way up cleanly, but we need this resistance to really break, and we need a closure above. And that was a lot to ask for, I guess, today. And I guess, you know, that's why we hit break even again 10 pips. But if this is another important part. I know being a trader earlier was important regarding managing risk and regarding not being emotional about it, but this is also important as well, because a lot of you guys got FOMO after when GJ started to hit your break even and then flipped after. I can sense when you guys get FOMO, because I've been there before too. But it's very important to stay composed in those situations, because you don't want to make the situation any worse, even though the situation today wasn't bad at all. We got 10 pips, right? But yeah, going back to you, Reza. You said you had a little FOMO earlier as well on the flip.
Yeah.
You know, just gotta stick to your plan, man. Stick to your plan. You know, like once the trade's done, it's like, okay, that trade's done. On to the next trade. What can I do now? You can't go back and fix things. You can't go back and revenge things. Like, what can I do now? What's the best thing? What's the best situation I can put myself in right now?
I can think clearly when I think about it, you know, but then just like those impulsive, like 5 minutes, was just like, boom. That's just my problem. Again, we're working on it. Like 3 weeks ago, I was just emotional the entire week, and then for 2 weeks, I was good. And then this was my first mistake this week, so let's keep working on it.
Not bad. Managing mistakes.
You gotta approach stuff from a position of how do I preserve capital, not how do I make more.
Yeah. I completely agree.
And once you're impulsive, you go like, am I preserving right now, or am I risking where I shouldn't be? Unnecessary risks tend to eat away at your capital and don't make you a really good fund manager. You're supposed to, mitigate risk and take, risk less for higher earnings, or higher probabilities. At that point, you're managing your funds. Oh, look at this rejection.
Traders, thanks. I made $100 for GJ. I know what $100 is.
$100 for GJ. Nice. Thank you, man.
It's not a stream until Paul donates.
Paul, yeah, give Paul a break. Yeah, he put a slap. He slapped 100 yesterday, just randomly. 110.
Fuck that. He got me used to it. We've been conditioned.
We've been conditioned. Did Paul catch a trade?
My girl has been looking at my bank account statement.
We don't fucking control our effects. Who is this? Who the fuck is the
kind of escort service is this?
Nah, man, nah. But back to what you were talking about earlier, I just wanted to touch on that. Like when with emotions and stuff like that, the reason like people start getting emotional is because they start over leveraging. Like if you properly manage your account, you're not going to become that emotional into a trade. So even if you take a loss, it's not going to hit you emotionally that bad. Like if you properly manage and risk your account, you're going to set yourself up for success.
Yeah. Agreed.
I mean, you're not over leveraging, right, Reza?
No. What was that? Again, like even with my emotional thing, I lost like my maximum daily loss.
You gotta understand his relationship with money is very different. He's looking at 200K account and he's like, shit, 1%, $2,000, damn.
Yeah, that's another thing. Yeah.
2,000.
Like, nuts. Bro, like gold is winking at me for a sell right now, but I'm just like, all right, you're done.
Gold's winking at you right now, really?
Yeah, I'm so
Man.
tempted to enter on this 15 flip. You guys don't even know.
But like okay, first of all, Reza, what time is it in 15 minutes here? What time is it?
Yeah, it's 4-hour
That's
closing.
15 of the
Well,
4.
like what time is it?
It's time to get off.
No, like what time?
No.
Like what time is it actually? Like in 15 minutes?
9 a.m.
Okay. When's NYC open?
9:30.
Okay. What do you think taking? Okay, think about it this way: taking a trade now versus taking a trade at 9 to 9:30. What makes more sense?
Yeah, 9 to
Once the
9:30,
4-hour
you gotta wait
candle
for the
closes, or
4-hour
the last
candle.
15 minutes of the 4-hour candle? There you go. You have your answer. Boom.
Yeah.
So why would you take a position now?
Yeah. No, I'm not gonna take it. I was just saying.
I'm just talking you out of it. That's it.
It goes back to what I said about a half hour ago. Remember, like the gold has a lot of room to move, and it's moved a lot, so you might find it range a little, like what was here before 9:30, where more volume comes in, and you're gonna see more movement. But
I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it. But I'm saying, like, I don't know. I'm just saying I was tempted to take it, but I'm not taking it. I took 2 trades today.
Look how it's ranging. Look at the higher time frames.
Also, everything's bullish. So
Yeah, everything is bullish. Yeah, but you've kind of come to a stall, played around here, and you're waiting for the next volume push. Be aware of your time.
yeah. Again, my thing is just like those 15 minutes when I get emotional, I'm just super prone to making mistakes. And like the rest of the time, I'm chill. Like the entire time, I was pretty chill here. Like even when I closed like my GJ trade and stuff, that was all planned for. That was all just part of my plan. I know you guys were holding it, but like, it was just part of my plan to close it.
Makes sense.
Bro,
Alright.
Actually, no, I think I.
Just play around with the the wizard buttons.
The wizard buttons, yeah.
That's for today. I see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A lot of people were, I tried in a trade. I tried not to look at that chat because like, chat is so toxic, man. Just so toxic. So I try not to look at it. I don't read chat as much in a trade. But I seen a lot of hate comments.
I don't know about no hate comments. I love everybody. I'm gonna go roll this joint.
Done. Up until what time are you taking trades? I'm hopping off at 9 a.m., brother or sister. Hopping off. I watch the stream every morning with the little blunt and get knowledge and a good laugh every morning. I love it here. Hey, bro, I love you being here, man. Hey, that's what Wixon does everyone. He laughs every day. If you're in drawdown gold, you close half at -5 pips, or it depends. It has nothing to do with like how many pips I'm in drawdown by. More so just price, like, or price action, right? Where's price right now? How's it look? Are we closing above the range? Are we closing below the range? When is the next 30-minute candle closure? When is the next 15-minute candle closure? Should I trust 30 or should I trust the 15? How's it correlate to 1 hour time frame? How's it correlate to the day time frame? So it more stuff to do with price action alone than just, oh, I'm down 5 pips, I'm gonna close. It's like that's irrelevant. Price can you can be down 5 pips and not be breaking any lows. Price will still be respecting your levels. It can still be respecting the previous candle low to continue up, right? Understand that the trade is valid until it actually breaks the low, like officially breaks the low. You never want to be like, I'm down 6 pips. I can't do this no more. I can't take it no more. I'm closing here. Because worst thing is price can just flip on you, go your direction after, and you're like, fuck, I fucked myself over today. Because you were being emotional about it, right? So emotions never win. Emotions never win at the end of the day. Never let them take over.
I like that one. Emotions never win at the end of the day. Never let them take over. That was good.
That was good. I should quote it.
Writing that one down.
I wrote that down. I should write that down too. Yeah, I'm gonna start taking FX more seriously. I'm playing. I'm taking FX more seriously.
Don't go down this road.
The chat's like, yo, dog, what you talking about? You told me you weren't taking it serious this whole time? Nah, man, I've been fucking around.
He's not even on a live account.
Been fucking around for the past 3 years, man. It's time to be serious now. What did I say again?
Doesn't matter.
No, it does matter.
No, you gotta stream.
What?
You gotta stream. You can go back to this. You can be like, look.
I need to know now.
Oh, this is going on an IG post.
Emotions never win.
At the end of the day, so don't let them take over.
Emotions never
That's an Instagram.
win at the end of the day. Don't let them take over. Boom, 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 boom. God bless everyone. Yo, XB, take it easy, brother. Take it easy, man. Thanks for modding the channel today. Thanks for taking care of all the peeps.
All the people.
Would you recommend entering gold in a 15-minute time frame since it's a fake out? I would say wait for the 4 candle close first of all, and then with the fact that we're closing bullish here, I would say wait for price to actually break the 4-hour lows. If you do close bullish here on a 4-hour candle, if you do break the lows, that will be price will be at what if you break the lows. So the low is right here, right here. That price is exactly at 1857.828. So therefore sells for me would be if you get a closure below, sells below here closure, which is where I marked it up earlier, 1859, 201. Anywhere below this area would be my sells, coming down towards the next support, which is at 1852. So wait for that 4 candle close, take advantage of that 4 candle breaking lows only if it breaks the lows, and try to stay out for now until yeah, that 4 candle closure. All right, that's my goal analysis. The 4 candle goal analysis. Yo, when's your next withdrawal date, Reza? The end of the month, right?
5th of next month.
Ah, it's been 12 days since.
Yeah.
That, like, concept.
That day screwed me though. That day actually screwed me.
Why?
Because I lost 4% in a day, bro. And like that put my account just in drawdown.
My thing is, you gotta get the funds that you invested back, and then you can like.
Yeah.
Once you have them back, you gotta secure. Once you secure that, then you're risk-free overall from your pocket, and then just do what you gotta do. If you're ahead right now, I mean, secure that. Secure the withdrawal.
I'm basically down. I'm at 191, so I'm down 4%ish.
5%, yeah.
5%.
Big swing that you should be able to get to break even within, a week at that size account. Just instead of with no emotional entry, as long as the market sets up the way it does, 10 pips a day, or at least maybe three times a week.
Damn, you really think a week? My goal is to get break even in like the end of the month, by the way.
That size account, I mean, a week, 2 weeks, yeah, why not? You're looking at trading. Well, what lot size are you trading?
I do a variable a lot, right?
Alright.
Because at your account size, I'd be at like 20 lots.
20 lots? No. I don't go above 10. I also have a 1 to 200, not a 1 to 500. Again, like think about it. It's a 200K account, but you only have 5% to lose in a day, or 10% overall. So you don't actually have 200K.
Yeah, but it's 5% in a day.
Yeah.
Not overall, right?
Yeah. It's 10% overall though.
I don't know. I'd have a hard time losing 10%. Maybe take some small. Yeah, you gotta take some small trades, build it up, and.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe there's a strategy to it. I don't know.
Thank you, bro. Everything you do for the community, I love.
I risk 1%.
You risk 1%?
Yeah, someone asked me.
I think you should risk 100%, Reza. Maybe like just one trade might change your whole life.
Fuck it, bro.
Yeah. What happens if you get this 200K to like 500?
Wait, what's the max risk on a funded account? Is there a limit?
Okay, so with mine, there is a limit for the first 3 months. For the first 3 months, I can't trade more than a 10 lot. And then after that, there's no limit on my lot size.
What's a 10 lot though? Like, what's the percentage of that? Like, is there it goes by percentage or it goes by like just standard lot size?
It just goes by straight lot size.
Oh shit.
So like gold, I can put 10 lots. GJ, I can put 10 lots. So a lot of times my GJ trades, I can't even risk my 1% because it's only 10 lots.
Bro, go on a monthly candle. Go find a bias. Go enter a position. Have a stop loss below the monthly candle for a month. Straight up. Doesn't work. Do the whole funded account over again.
No, what I'm saying is you could trade through the month, but just that alone should pay off. You should make sure you're break even.
Yeah. My goal is just to like recover the account, maybe like go up 1% for this month. Honestly, I don't have a goal. I'm just trying not to make emotional mistakes. Like, I just want to just take good trades, man. That's it. Took one bad trade today. Like, my good trade lost me a quarter or like half of like what my bad trade lost me.
Quarter mil.
Yeah, quarter million.
I'm gonna hop off, guys. W session today. Patience on the 1 hour trade was 100%. See y'all last session. Yo, see y'all. Yo, keep killing the last session. JXTR. All love, man.
How do funded accounts work? Withdrawing and percentage of return requirements. There's no percentage of return requirements, and each funded account, like depending on the company, it just is different, right? But usually how it works is if you lose 5% in a day or 10% overall, you lose the account.
So let's say you built it to like 400K, and if you lose 5% of that, if you lose like 25K, 20K, or whatever.
If I lose 5%, no. It's 5% of the original. So if I have 500K in the account and I lose like 15K in a day, I'm still screwed. It's another.
So it's based off the daily starting balance.
Yeah. No. It's based off the account size they give you. Not even like. So even if I was up like 20K and I lost 10K in a day. Yeah. But like the 10% rule is based off the account size. So like. You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, the account can't go and draw down more than 10%, but once you're up that much, all that applies is the 5% daily rule on the daily after that.
Paula Berry with the donation.
Yo, Don.
Yo!
Buried me in the Florida Keys, FYI. W day, guys. Peace.
If I don't show tomorrow, my girl probably checked the bank statement again and probably buried me in the Florida Keys. FYI. W day, guys. Peace and love. Yo, Paula Berry, bro. If your girl's on you, bro, you ain't gotta donate.
Tell your girl to jump on the stream and just, you know.
Hey, Paul, I appreciate it a lot, man. Y'all was coming to the donuts, bro. I don't know how you do it, man, but thank you for paying for my breakfast, lunch, and dinner the past couple of days, man. Really appreciate it.
Paying for Don's ticket out of Canada.
I
love you, man.
But wait, the best thing about the funded accounts are the, what is it called? The scaling plans, which is kind of broken because in like if 2 out of 3 months my account's in the positive above I think like 1.5% profitability, I get a 25% increase in capital.
But let's say within a month you go from 200 to 300. How much do you get?
I get 80K.
Get 80K. The scaling is retarded.
Hey.
Yeah, this is
ridiculous. That's the word, ridiculous. You're not even on TikTok.
I know. I'm just, you know, it's just, you know.
Godly, I know what I have to do. My problem is sometimes I'm not listening to what I have to do. Like my technical analysis isn't fine.
Do as I say, not as I do.
Yeah, that's my problem. That was my problem like literally 3 weeks ago when I was having that super bad thing. Oh man. I was just like not listening to anything. Like all my analysis was hitting.
Chat, everyone here, if you guys go on Instagram page, go follow our Instagram page. We're almost at 5K. I've been looking at this number for so long. I want 5K followers on IG. We're at 4,792. Instagram is It's Donvo. Everyone go spam up the follow, share a page, their content.
Are you verified?
No. How about new? How about new? Appreciate a lot though, for real.
Let's get Don verified.
Honestly, if you have enough bot accounts, like if you have enough like people who are copying our accounts or repping our accounts,
make a Donvo account, then report yourself.
Oh, 4 hour close.
Yeah, give me a second. Okay, don't let take over. Quote of the day, chat. All right, chat.
Don's on IG right now.
Yeah, I'm always on IG, man. This is my life. All right, I'm on IG. All right, chat. Thank you. Peace out. Forward candle closure on gold. I broke it down already. I say wait for this candle to break the lows first. 1857.840, break the lows, and then you wait for a closure below this range here, where I have my sales below target here, and take your sales coming down. You have a clean range coming from 18.558-ish coming down towards 18.52, right? Pretty good, pretty nice, pretty lovely. And then for GJ, the forward candle closed bullish here, so technically, yeah, you would expect it to come up to fill that wick minimum. But I think at this point, I say wait for a closure above 154.500. Once you get a closure above there, you should be able to continue up towards 155.064. All right. However, we're in this range right now. We might not break up for the rest of the session. Who knows? But wait for that closure. Be patient. And that's my day. You know, that's my day. I think it's gonna be pretty chalk till 9:30. I say 9:15ish minimum. So sit tight and just, or if you're still trained, sit tight. If you're not, then go back to sleep, man. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your 10 pips. Enjoy your patience. Enjoy your management today, because you did a good job managing risks. If you did what we did. Alright, man. Chats. Sorry, but I'm gonna hop off, man. Not gonna lie to you guys. But chalk today.
And that's the way the cookie crumbles.
That's the way the cookie crumbles. Is it Squid Games? Yo, Chad. Yo, have you guys watched Ocean 11?
Yes.
Very dope. Yeah, I gotta watch Money Heist now. I gotta watch Money Heist.
That movie's older than you, Ocean's 11.
Nah, it came out when I was 1 year old.
Yeah.
Right?
A little off.
Ocean's 11 was sick. Actually, I really
feels
enjoyed
like it's older than you.
Came out December 7th, yeah, 2001. I was 1 year old. I was 1 year old in April, May, June, July, August, September. And 7 months, or 8 months. But yeah, chat. Have a great session. I'll catch you out tomorrow. 6:30 Eastern. Don't be late. We're here every day.
Stream.
If you like another stream, sub to the channel. I appreciate you being here. And we out. Thanks, buds.
You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we damn close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. No angel, but you got a halo. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there. It was nights like this, feeling right like this. I never really spent no time like this, huh? Your second time at the crib knowing I might not hit. You said what I look like my bitch, yeah. Looking in your eyes, shit is dangerous. The pussy wet, I call it angel dust. I done put so many diamond chains on you, they get tangled up. I never felt like this, is strange as fuck. Got your ex nigga calling, but he can't do much. Cause you with the kid now, LMA booed up. And all you gotta do is call and watch that Ray pull up. Under the stars since they throwing all the shade on us. Facts. Woo. You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you're going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we damn close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. That's what it's like loving
you feel a vibe, I'm deep inside, yeah. You fucking me, ooh, I let you ride, yeah. At first you curved me, I let you slide in. Your hips so curvy, you let me slide in, ooh. And it was over once I flipped you over. Relation go or we come through just like Beyonce Hova. This the Hermes money, this ain't no fashion over. You said your ex had you depressed and I'm just glad that's over. Cause now you rockin' with a real one. And when I'm in it, you be maxing on 1,000,000. And when I hit it back to back, you make me still come. I know them bitches hating on you, we gon' kill them. That's fact.
You feel the vibe, it's contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you're going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we damn close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. That's what it is.